Why does the filter not fit over the other ones?
Because so it's a sausage style over here.
Sausage style. Oh.
I knew I liked it, bro.
Week 6 at the warehouse, still not done getting the sanding work ready. All right, so looks good on the outside, but go to the inside, it's like 2009 all over again, including the $50 federal sticker. We used to call them $50 Fetties. I don't think they're $50 anymore, but you can still get federal tires, I'm assuming. More sanding, gonna bring this down, go down to primer, and then use some spray paint that I've had mixed up that's the same paint coat as the car, so hopefully it'll look okay. He suggested I use some gas to get some of the glue off.
Not gas, cleaning fluid.
Cleaning, sorry, this is a big red bottle of flammable cleaning fluid here.
Yeah, special cleaning fluid. It's not gas. No, this is EPA approved cleaning fluid. It is not gas. That would be dangerous.
All right, guys, I've got a favor to ask you. As you know, we live off the subscriber count. The more subscribers we get means that we have more of a reason to make these videos and to go over all over the country to test products. And right now, only 12.2% of you guys that have watched our videos have actually subscribed to our channel. And we'd really like to see that number increase quite a bit. If you could please do us a favor of just doing the simple act of hitting that subscribe button, it would mean a ton to us and it will allow us to make more content like this. So if you like what you're seeing, please remember to hit that subscriber button. We're only at 12.2% out of all the views. That number should be much higher. Could really use your help. Thank you so much. All right, so you're helping me to move the center console back in order to use this nifty carbon plate from Impulse that Ezekiel gifted me, but it doesn't quite fit because the shifter stick is right on the corner. So it would hit right here. So we're trying to slide this guy back a bit. Keith over here is drilling out some bolts
With the hood in the way.
with the hood in the way that have become stuck for I don't even know why, but they weren't stuck the last time we worked on it.
Rust weld. Because the hood's in the way.
You want me to remove it? I gotta take this hood off anyways.
Yeah, maybe they're just melted on there. We should probably drill these out.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, I'm down. So
Okay.
is that how messed up is? Oh, the rubber's a little bit like torn off, isn't
Oh,
it?
it's all torn up. Yeah.
I see.
So I think if you just had this like square notch without that, it would look clean.
Okay.
Especially since your e-brake now is going to be like right notched into this
Yeah.
too.
So you're running into the handbrake not being able to push down if we slide this back because it's now in here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna like enlarge this and open it up, right?
I'd say we open it up all the way to this edge right here, and then that'll give us as much travel as it'll look normal.
This is, don't film this, I'm doing a very bad job.
That's exactly what we do want to show.
Oh, okay. Probably put like a little pilot thing in this.
See, like if we can fail and still make it, that means anyone can fail and make it.
That's true.
It's not exclusive to us being idiots.
I don't want to drill through your trim.
So you're going with the rib then, huh?
Yeah.
Max is hogging this out with an end mill from the Bridgeport, hooked up to a drill.
Yep.
That's right. So that's all the way back, and then this is where it sits now. But you could maybe move it.
But then
like,
that front piece looks kind of obviously not
you have,
too far, right?
Yeah. Now you have this like square gap. It's like
Unless you put a piece in there.
Yeah. If you go like here, you can't really tell.
I see.
But if you go like here, then you can tell.
Or maybe something in between.
I'm not a fan of the wall because it looks obviously like modified.
Well, I would not put it quite that much. I would put it back a little bit, but still put a wall there.
Yeah.
So if you put like your wall there, something doesn't slide back and get lost.
It'll look modified either way, I say, because otherwise you're gonna have your shifter like here, and like that doesn't look stock either.
You mind if I take a peek?
Yeah.
Let's see what it's like.
This is maybe the right solution. Because see, that little tray looks like it'd be like a good place to put set things like your phone or something. Actually, does your phone fit there?
I'm not sure, but I mean it's a race car, so that's like not high on my priority list.
Oh, I was just like, put a QI charger underneath it.
Oh. That'd be fine.
Well, you're not going to drive this to the track no more?
I mean, I will, but the concept is racing. Pretty sure that's a JDM slogan somewhere. Okay, so we could have it totally
Cut my wiring instead of
censored.
just cutting the zip tie off the rack.
That's gonna look fucking weird. All right, fender's back on. Got some hardware on here. He's just cleaning up some of the rust that's built up when I used some adhesive plate. Not sure what the game plan's gonna be. I don't think you can even get stuff chromed in California anymore. I'm not sure. I'll have to look into that, but
Chrome powder coat.
chrome powder coat? Yeah, the next best
Kind
thing.
of chrome-ish.
We'll see. I mean, I think technically these things don't really do anything anyway, so it's just for looks. Right, Max? Yeah, just need to get the car set up for a dyno day, which is supposed to happen this coming weekend. I'm gonna baseline this before we pull the engine out. And then we're also hoping to tune that bad boy over there since Max has his engine together, but just has a street tune on it. How long do you warm up for?
The electric water pump lets it heat up pretty fast.
Oh yeah?
But I just wait for the idle control to kick in. I could leave right now.
Oh, okay.
Obviously it's not hot yet, but...
Wow, taking good care of this shit, huh?
Thank you, yeah.
Austin parking only, bro. Right there's good. Alright. Back up a little.
What's the next step? I've actually never done this before.
Jack up the car, wheels off, bolt on the dyno.
Okay, and this is what's called a hub dyno, right?
Yes, this is a hub dyno.
Okay. And those are better because...
They're different, they're not better.
Okay.
They're specifically for tuning, they're very nice because you can do what's called load cell tuning.
Yeah.
Where you actually use the dyno to hold the car at a specific RPM. So say you had, like you're doing pulls down the street and you have some weird breakup issue at 4,800 RPM.
You can just target on that, right?
I can tell the dyno, don't let it go past 4,800 RPM.
Yeah.
And it'll hold it there. And you can do you can figure out what's going wrong. You can do your really specific tuning stuff for that specific RPM.
Let's actually. So yeah, I mean, I was telling Chris that I don't know how much power this makes, but I'm kind of worried about breaking your guys' dyno. What do you think?
They're good for 500 horsepower for each pack.
Oh wow. Okay.
Maybe.
So I'm like a tenth of the way there. Sick. Always good to know there's some reserve, right, guys?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm at my buddy's shop, the guys over at Sakebomb Garage, and they've got a dyno which they usually use to tune really sick like rotaries and FDs. I just asked to pull a favor and see if I could baseline the car before the engine comes out. So yeah, we got another engine at the machine shop that's being finished up. So just to see what the differences are between the old and new engine, I'm just gonna baseline this guy and see what the comparison is afterwards. So I have an idea if I'm moving in the right direction or not. Looks like Travis has the dyno hub adapters. So how often do you guys do tuning here?
Not super frequently.
Oh, nice.
But it's also, the crazy thing is how good this thing is for like diag.
Oh, really?
Like, for instance, we do all sorts of diag on twin turbo systems for FDs.
Yeah.
They are notoriously difficult to figure out. But with this thing, we can hook up the car, do a pull, and I can just sit down by the front wheel and literally watch what the actuators on the turbos are doing.
Oh, because you can load it like...
Exactly,
oh,
you can load it and do a full pull like you would on the street. But you can just look in the side of the car and see what it's actually doing. And so it's...
That's pretty cool.
It's a really useful diagnostic tool sometimes.
Nice. So the first pull, it started breaking up pretty bad. We don't know if that was the ignition or if it was the limiter, but it looks like peak power is right at 7,000. You can see at 76, it starts to fall off a cliff, which is not like what I've seen, so I think there was actually some kind of ignition thing. So I just raised the limiter if you want to take a look, Mark. So before it's at 8,200, I brought up to 8,400 when it's at this coolant temp, and hopefully that resolves it, but I guess we'll find out. Oh wow, so these stacks are so wide I can't even get the tool in. Not now, Mark, I'm sucking.
Whoa.
Mark, only show my good sides, please.
That's fine.
So Tyler brought those to sell out of his booth, and Adam was like,
They sound better than ours.
They look cooler too. little baby guys.
I think these are my favorite ones.
Why, because they're cute?
Yes.
Oh man, there's the wrong fittings on there. Okay, so right now, so the first ones, the green ones are number 3, the Tec-Arts are number 5, and then the BGRS is number 7. So we're going, the first ones are the thin line, and then there's a medium line,
Got
and
it.
a thick line.
Okay.
So it's not super clear.
Oh, interesting.
It does look like the Tec-Arts have the most in the middle.
Ah.
Yeah, the green ones are...
Okay, how about, can we show just run 2s of all the runs? So we don't have run 1s at all?
Yeah, no, this is only run 2s.
Oh, it's only run 2s, okay.
Yeah, well, run 4 for the first one. But
yeah, I
run 2 for the second one.
Those 2 red lines look the same to me, so I can't tell.
This one on top is the Tec-Arts. It's slightly thinner.
Ah. Wow, yeah, I agree with you then.
They definitely make more in the middle.
No shit, they
Peak
do.
powers are spot on.
Hey, there's a statistical difference.
Yeah, Jacob.
Jacob, engineer guy.
Statistical difference.
There's a statistical difference.
The Tec-Arts are this middle thickness line. The green ones are this thin line, and then the ones that are on there now are the thick line.
So basically, the wide mouth ones seem to have the most torque under the curve.
Interesting.
And then, but also surprising though is the different links, the 70s and the 100s. I can't see any meaningful difference here.
Well, the torque is a bit different, but not by a lot.
Oh,
the
here it
horsepower,
is.
though,
right?
Yeah, like this is your peak torque for this one. The other two are like right here, kind of. But the horsepower is like they all intersect right there.
Yeah. Interesting. Well, the area under the curve is definitely.
Yeah.
Can we show just the? Can we remove the Tec-Arts? Let me just see the difference in links.
Sure.
157 at the wheel.
The Tec-Arts are the middle one, so I want.
Yeah, remove that one. So this is the 70s versus the 100s, and it's like the
so
fucking
close.
It's the fucking same. This is actually really interesting because I've seen a lot of dynographs, and I think on a less modified engine, it makes a big difference. But I believe with the combination of the cams, the porting, the header, maybe something else is the restriction or something. Because like actually on previous plots, like if you run 100s, like there's like a crapload more mid-range. So this is actually really interesting right here.
Very interesting.
Yeah. Wow. Could we do just the Tec-Arts over the 100s and just look at those two only? The 70s versus the 100mm length on my engine made almost no difference, which is very unlike anything I've researched before. Yeah, so that's very surprising, actually. Huh. By the way, Tan or Steph, whoever's editing this in future, you can delete all this stuff. I know no one gives a shit.
Don't delete any of it. Every second is counting.
It's pretty big, yeah. The Tec-Arts are the solid line, and then our green ones are the thinner one.
Who works here?
You can't put a cursor over to see the difference, can you? Or
I could probably.
it's like 10 foot-pounds basically, which is a lot.
That is a lot. That's definitely a huge amount.
Wow.